Hey everybody, West Coast Johnny, how's it going? So today I'm going to clean my motorcycle really nice. I already did all the black painted surfaces, and the engine block is black. It's like a wrinkle finish, and it gets kind of this like dust in it that's hard to clean. And I have not actually detailed this motor in years, so I'm going to see what this will do. I wiped off any of the major dirt and stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this Pigspit, and we're going to see if it's as good as everybody says it is. So what's in it? It's a propellant. It's two types of hydrocarbon propellants. One is just a solvent, and the other one is a liquid gas that's been sweetened. So when you spray it, it won't really smell like chemicals. So let's spray this down. Okay, 8 to 10 inches away. Spray's fairly easy, and wow, look at that. Now, if it can dry like that, that's going to be amazing. So this was really, really old looking. And it already looks a lot better. It's that black finish. And I'm going to also do this on some other components here. But that already looks so much better. So I'm going to try some on my dash. Okay. I'm going to just barely wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Wow. Look at that. Look at this, folks. This is amazing. Look at that. Now, if it can stay that clean, it looks like it came right out of the showroom like this. Look at that. It's all dry. That's just the new finish. Now, they say you could buff it with a light cloth. This is a brand new microfiber. I'm just trying to buff it a little bit. It's supposed to last a long time. So what this stuff does, it cleans faded plastic really, really good. See those switches? So this is an older bike. I've had it for over 10 years. And some of the components, like this piece, it's kind of faded. So I'm going to spray that down, and I'm going to see how it looks. Let it set for a second. Wow. See, that looks so much shinier. It looks like it did back when I bought the bike. Okay, so this stuff definitely looks great, and I definitely love this stuff. Look at that, beautiful. Such an amazing product. It makes the plastic look like it's factory again. And they say it's long lasting, and that's great. Okay, now I'm gonna test this on my SUV. This plastic, I cleaned it, but it just looks very stained and old looking. So let's see what the Pigspit does. Wow. Okay, so it's supposed to dry just like that, and if it does, that's amazing. It says you can give it a light buff too if you want. Okay, wow, looks completely different. Look at before, after. Okay, let me show you how it looks. See how shiny all this is? It looks just like it did when it was brand new. So it really made a big difference on a lot of the black parts, especially. See all that? So I'm really impressed with this stuff, Pigspit. All right, guess what? It's been 2 full months. I just rolled the bike out in the light so I could show you, and look at that. It's identical. The Pigspit works amazing. It didn't even fade. The black parts of the motor and some other components and some switches that I applied the Pigspit to are still very, very shiny. So I still have a whole lot of it left. It didn't really even cost that much. It was for sure less than $20. And if I can get results like this that last this long, it's definitely worth it. So if I was to rate this product, I would have to definitely give it 5 stars out of 5 stars. So that's my Pigspit review. And it also works on cars and other plastics, not just motorcycles. All right, everybody, thanks. Have a great day.